is students will identify different atoms by number of protons in the nucleus and realize that the number of electrons equals the number of protons in a neutral atom. They will also be able to explain the meaning of atomic number and atomic mass. The materials and resources needed are the element cards that I will prepare for them and laminate. Okay, in phase 1, attending the material project, to the material, I will project the periodic table on the overhead, and I will show them the periodic table of elements, and then we will go over what each section of the element contains, and I will open discussion or any questions they may have. And then we'll move on to phase 2, developing connections. And there I'll show the students videos to give them a more concrete understanding of the information in the periodic table. I will project the first 20 elements that they will be required to memorize. They'll need to know the names of the elements, not necessarily all of the information on there, but definitely the most common names, the first 20 elements. In phase 3, expanding sensory image, I will have the students research a real world use for each of the 20 elements and find a word to associate the element with. In phase 4, practicing recall, the students will play an element card game. This is where those laminated cards come in hand. There are 5 for each of the first 20 elements. They will play like a card sort. They'll have clues of different information on the cards, and then they will need to fill in an activity sheet. And this is what the activity sheet looks like.